So this is an example of CNC production machining. We are producing 3 discs here that need to be done smoothly and quickly. So just a little pause here as we change the program. We made a little alteration, and it's going to continue machining with tool number 1. What you guys may not be aware of is that we preload the tools so that when we are busy machining, the next tool is ready for the tool change. And you can see that saves valuable time. And let's wait for this operation to finish, and you'll see that as the head comes up, the tool change is extra quick, and note how the next tool is brought down from the umbrella as the machine is machining the next operation. Ready for the tool change to be nice and quick. And there's the tool, another one, and this saves minutes. Now, some of the astute people may notice that we are only machining one of the discs. We elected to machine the one disc and then move on to the next disc and to the next disc, so that should we have a tool break, we only lose or risk one piece of material and not all 3. I'm now going to we're going to watch it finish. And as you can see, it is now moved on to the next operation. Okay, nice and smooth. Okay, tool change. Okay, we have used a GoPro here to make this machining process, film this video. It's actually attached above the tool changer so that we don't get any coolant on the lens. Although, if you look by the tool that's currently loaded, you can see there's coolant already on the lens. Fortunately, the choice between coolant and no coolant, this aluminium shavings would stick to the tools and will reduce the life of the tool. Okay, and here we go. Okay, this drill bit that did that last drilling operation is a ISCAR carbide, but super amazing. And we're doing the edging with a 5mm end mill. Okay, and next one. Let's quickly just fast forward because this is more or less the same. Finishing up. Cleaning it off. Okay, and we're now preparing for the next load. Here we've actually got 2 individuals loading as they wanted to have some sort of production line going. But anyway, this is a jig that was machined on the TACAM, and we're now using it for production machining at Mating Workshop. And stop.